What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. Here we go. Here we have it. My surprise. She got me the surprise. This one right here. This thing. This woman. This anonymous thing right here. But this is the surprise. Zbox. It's from Holland. So I don't know what's in it. It's closed. I'm gonna let her open it. She doesn't know what to do. She's drinking, so it's okay.
It's open.
It doesn't want to open. There it is.
Ta-da!
So,
Stop that!
here it is. It's the Zbox. A surprise for me. So this is the unboxing. What do you want first?
First, we have a hot Jessica Jones.
Did you hear that, guys? We have a hot Jessica Jones.
Oh,
And there it fell. It's broken. We're done. No, here we go. As seen on Netflix, it's a Jessica Jones. Wait. Jessica Jones.
what is she doing?
Strong woman right there. She's not you. She's she's breaking the wall. Jessica Jones. It's actually pretty cool. See? I got this from you. Your fault. What more? What's this? Limited edition coin, Hot Fuzz. Hot
No.
Fuzz. It's a movie.
Oh,
Here we go. Hot Fuzz coin right there. Hot Fuzz. Very well packed, so that's cool. What's this? Zbox magazine. Detectives. Oh, this is just information. Information regarding Jessica Jones. It's like a comic book information.
English?
4 things you probably didn't know about Hot Fuzz. You probably didn't know it. What more? What do we have here? The Shadow Batman. Here we go. We have a comic book from Batman. This is pretty cool. For those of you who like comics. It's pretty cool. So, Steve, this is for you. Enjoy.
Yes.
Last but not least, no, this is last. This is last. We have Unicorn Box, my new name. Here we go. We have a Batman t-shirt.
My size.
That's a pretty cool t-shirt. Let's see if it fits. Here we go. It's on right now. Perfect fit. For those of you who are interested, this is the Zbox. You can purchase it if you want to. It's, I think, a single month, 25 euros. It's a pretty good deal. You get some fun stuff in it, and the shirt is perfect. It's a very nice t-shirt. So go for it. It's very nice. There you go. See it? Nice. Perfect fit. Beauty. So check it out, guys. Zbox. Purchase it. Have some good stuff every month. And enjoy. Hope to see you in my next video. The next video is going to be the Loot Crate, Gaming Crate. So enjoy, guys. Have a nice day.